Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arundhati Tech for You. In this video, we are going to discuss about topic called view side by side. View side by side help us to arrange all files in tilde, horizontal, vertical and cascade forms. So friends, if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel Arundhati Tech for You and don't forget to like my videos. Coming to Excel, we have two Excel files. One is example and you can see another file sample file. And now I want to see both the files side by side. To see both the files side by side, I have an option called view side by side. For that, I have to go to view tab and click view side by side option. Nice. Now I will click on arrange all, so it will show the different option like tilt, horizontal, vertical and cascade. So if I click vertical, click OK. See, now you can see my example file and sample file is side by side. Nice, right? So now let us scroll example file and you can also see there is another file called sample file is also moving. So this is because we have activated synchronized scrolling. So just deactivate the synchronized scrolling, and now if you try to scroll one file, see another file is not moving. Nice, right? And arrange all option is also provide horizontal, tilt and cascade. So let us see how horizontal will work. If I click horizontal, click OK. See, now you can see my example file is on top and sample file is on bottom. So let us see another option called tilt. So for that I required 4 files. So what I will do, I will create another 2 new files. So I will just say control N. So see, I got book 1 and again control N, book 2. So I have created total 4 files. So now I will just go to the view and click on arrange all and I will select tilt. Click OK. Nice. Now you can see I can see 4 files at a time in single screen. Book 2, example, book 1 and sample file. Nice, right? There is another option called cascade and let us see how this will work. If I click cascade and click OK, see this is arranging all the files one after the other. So one file is behind the another file. You can see all the title bars of the files, and if whichever file you want you can just click. Suppose if I want sample file, I will click sample file and you can see I got it. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.